Yay! Hello everyone! How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great and are excited to continue your Python learning journey. If you're ready to explore something new and super important in Python, you're in the right place. Before we begin, a quick reminder. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others so that more people can benefit from these easy Python lessons. In our previous video, we understood what 4 basic data types, which is string, integer, float, and boolean in Python, how to create them, and what they do. Today, we're going to explore something even more interesting, Python list. Now you might be thinking, list sounds a bit technical. But trust me, once you understand this concept, your Python learning will become much smoother and clearer. Let's get started without wasting any time. What is a list in Python? Imagine you have a basket where you put different fruits. Mango, apple, banana. This basket is like a list where you can keep multiple items together in one place. In Python, a list is a place where you can store multiple values, all inside one variable. Example, fruits. Hi, apple, banana, mango. Print, fruits. How to access items in a list. Indexing. Imagine you have books in your school bag. If you want to take out the first book, you take it by its position. In Python, each item has a position called an index. Example, fruits, text, apple, banana, mango. Print, fruits. Output. Apple indexing starts from 0, meaning the first item has index 0. How to change items in a list. Imagine you have 3 fruits in your basket. If one fruit becomes old, you replace it with a new fruit. Similarly, in Python lists, we can give any item a new value. Example, fruits, apple, banana, mango, fruits, orange print, fruits, output, apple, orange, mango. How to add items in a list. Imagine you are shopping and adding new items into your basket. In Python, we can add new items to a list using the append or insert functions. Using append, add at the end fruits. Just apple, banana fruits, append, grape, print, fruits. Output, apple, banana, grape. Using insert, add in the middle, like putting an item at a specific spot in the basket. Fruits, apple, banana, fruits, insert, 1, orange, print, fruits, output, apple, orange, banana. How to remove items from a list. Imagine some items in your basket have gone bad, so you remove them. In Python, you can remove items from a list using remove, pop, or del. Using remove, by item name, fruits, shucks, apple, banana, mango, fruits, remove, banana, print, fruits. Output, apple, mango. Using pop, by index, or last item if no index, fruits, shine, apple, banana, mango, fruits, pop. Removes the last item print, fruits. Output, apple, banana. Using del, by specific index fruits equals apple, banana, mango, del fruits, 0 print fruits. Output, banana, mango. Check if item exists. Imagine you want to check if banana is in your basket or not. Fruits, apple, banana, mango. If banana in fruits, print, banana is in the list. Length of a list. Just like counting how many fruits are in the basket. Fruits, say, apple, banana, mango, print, fruits. Output, 3 list slicing. Part of the list. Imagine you want to take out only the first 2 items from the basket. Fruits, apple, banana, mango, grape, print, fruits. So, output, apple, banana. List of different data types. You can keep different types of data in a list, like a name, age, and temperature all in one place. Info, Asia, 22, 36.6, print, info, nested lists, list inside a list, like a basket inside another smaller basket. My list, apple, banana, carrot, potato, print, my list. Output, apple, banana. Yay! You did it! So friends, today we learned what a list is, how to add, change, and remove items in it, what indexing and slicing mean, and related everything to real-life basket examples. We'll dive even deeper into the magic of Python. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our next coding adventure. So stay tuned, keep smiling, and remember, coding is fun when Pixie is around. Happy coding! Thank you for watching!